Hi there, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. There's a lot of people talking about the new released DJI Osmo Action camera. How does it smooth footage, stabilize it, and how it compares, how it stacks up against GoPro Hero 7 Black, RockSteady versus HyperSmoth. But I wonder why nobody is talking about the Rylo, this little wonder that I'm using right now. In my opinion, it's way better than both. It can make footage smoother than both. It can make things that the other cameras cannot do. As being a 360 camera, it records everything around it. And it gives me a lot of flexibility, a lot of creativity freedom to do stuff that I would never do with other cameras. I can change framing on real time, like I'm doing right now. I can even put two images at the same frame, like I'm doing right now. You are seeing me, but you are also seeing what is in front of the camera. Rylo is a 360 camera. That means that it records everything around it. It allows me in post-production, when I'm editing the video, to choose what will be framed, like this. Or I can even change the framing, like this. And I can even move freely from there to there. You see it? I can frame whatever I want in post-production. I can even make different versions of the same footage. Either this way, why are people just ignoring Rylo? I don't know. But here is my tip to you. Google about Rylo, see what it can do, compare it with other action cameras, and you will see the flexibility and the opportunity to do different stuff, like you've never done before. I'm gonna show you some examples of creativity stuff that you can do with Rylo. Oh yes, there's one more thing. Rylo can digitally remove the selfie stick. So, as you can see, the camera is right now floating. It's floating on the air. Can you see the selfie stick? Neither I. And for last, let's check out its ability to smooth footage, what they say stabilization. Let's run. 3, 2, 1, go! Is it stable for you? Can you see the background? Is it moving? No. Very smooth, very stable. And I am running. Take a look. Well, this is it. Hope you have enjoyed this video when I try to show you that there are other options to make action videos beyond GoPro and the new released DJI Osmo Action. On top of that, you can see that the Rylo and other 360 camera can do a lot more. So please consider them when you're going to purchase a camera to make nice videos. Guys, oh, that's theirs. Guys, see you. Bye.